na mola na yedi ewura ma bepempempe so no adaji ne poso de me huni nya se ene mola na wosoro because of match na mola na yedi ewura ma bepempempe so no adaji ne poso wa
give the credit to them. Yeah, when they in the first half,
also on the verdict and balance. May repeat say over last week for the say on betna say Canada na what we Canada e train. Unfortunately, ya charge you na e go FA. And let me say I like the conduct of all the people who are with their lawyers, players,
performances. Perform so I think say already ako African because some person ye bibi ti say ne nyame frame say legend dia nti ono so as nkora some ba no person ye bibi sure and I think say with their determination na yambetumi ama so aye ne enye ne ye kra betumi aye ne e chen no be depend on so
ni bia ewo hono ma enye ne de na enye ne ni kanso omo ba beko Egypt no the interview Premier League launch ewo FA office na me ka Hazard for ebe win trophy no eye me ni ka se omo koye no omo aye de me ka ye asin se me prediction no omo ya ma na bem say omo do final between Sundowns na me ya no
Blaster Core 17 omo ha na Robert say na the ocean asa na hotel ho pi ba na ogun small boy bi na obi san say onim sabidodu efie that is Sudan for goalkeeper na obeda 1963 ye share na sana dan for the man is cause on fan come sabidodu na on the national team we anya club we and obet na on to we na boy no from there the boy na di we ni ba na ben kofi ejina ne mo na obi sa ben say o kan Ghana for no na o sin na o so goalkeeper na so
for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio.
Right, Okuma 97.1. Everyone, so good day, Moon Sam Yatimatina Sayadeba. Sunny Atina said, on say, no, right, our I wish I finished in a fist on sweat media bar. But an animal fan chairman and something to me, ma. About an instant to me, Bantino. I wish I finished in a fist of a bar. But I am in Dobby Biase. Mamuti, Chichi, and a bench. Facebook forum, I'm in Chiamoye. Yes, look up Facebook at your Command Radio 97.1. Samsung at YouTube at your Command Radio 97.1. Of course, Twitter and so at Okuman 971. And I think on Instagram and so at Okuman 971. When you are able to join and I think so follow Jumediano. Okuman Global Sports. And to know Facebook for hashtag and for tour. Hashtag Okuman Global Sports. The 2C and I say more fire. But then round him said the Ghana Premier League weekend yet to make or so. And I don't remember that matches do not to make or so. And not that it was so. They said something that be no etuja. Many specific Kumasi Derby. Now you say crop beer Kumasi Asante Koroko. And I think so no Kumasi base game Faisal. A big game in the Tuja. I thought I see the moon pense money in some echo tree echo bremai at the beba. A large Karen Grusa Ekasa after the game. Waiting some large in sweat to me to jar. The new sensation, the poster boy, the young chap in town. Branty and it is Zubeiru Ibrahim. And not that I could we did 17 years, 6 months. 17 years, 6 months. Let me say go so no Marco Miensa. A ball hat trick, Etia Koroko. Be a SRC Yache. And so 17-year-old Zubeiru Ibrahim and not that former Bogo so no. I could run after the match and so Kasai. European right at the ring in Abeba. But I know that Kopiemu far away Algeria. Far away Algeria. They never say die until the bones are rotten. Accra to folk. Kopiemu Algeria and GS Sahara Ediboni. Now first league, you know, on your boy and hearts it to me and could immediate 2-0. Asi kwe nanka nipa dodo na ahwe nim se anka odi emfa kura anka no anya 1-0 B ana 2-1 B ana 3-1 B 3-2 B 4-2 kura anka na has betima fem anso na ntentam amfa atofoke kopie mu e Algeria ma ne je soara e bone kano mako and 9 4-0 had to folk and Timenti Madabraka. We have had to folk and Sunsuno Etime Fimo Cup Confederations Cup. 4-2 and aggregate. Had to folk and Timan qualifying Kopiemu our group stages. And say China and a team Baby Piemo Ghana. Umbutu China. The Bekona Finsere details and more the first match and all the above. But we my main executive producer say Rako Fianson Bafo Samson and Nana Korea Jaman producer extraordinaire Jeff Kufu Boatin Boy Chidom No Ekokoti Hene Awaswa Serema Journey Hantime Phone Nipa Bia Yeshe Jeff Kufu Boatin Samson and DJ Tony DJ Zigibi they make it just a Facebook in Bechegu Parkwesi J Samson a honorable citizen Kwesi citizen honorable citizen Ewa Kusi. On monitor show no pa. Now, if you honorable say my mintia Sergeant Theodora. I have Corporal Jewel. Omunyana wa Ekusi prisons. I'm not sure prison also. Since I'm on Ibia Nedu Kopium, I'm not sure also. I make sure say bosses have that. And honorable citizens here, Corporal, and Sergeant Theodora, and a Corporal Jewel. Who are Kuste local prisons pay. Every man chamo. Samson Evie Maminchia Stanley a teacher ni Ewa Kuste Methodist. Kuste Methodist Senior High School. A teacher ni as a taxi driver. The near don't go about Amazon break into a 2 taxi in Musa. Soon on Fendi Agro. Stanley Evie in Chianco. A teacher ni Kuste Methodist Senior High School. School for the feeling papa. Since you want to buy mind the non so about the private part time. Samsung SB Barbering Shop. And soon we could say any more be more talk command 97.1. SB Barbering Shop for more heavy. Every man chamo. We are Mamicha Kobe El Colicho. We are Mamicha Kobe. And our friends on Ibrahim El 3 wise men in sewing. I'm say we are Mamichiano. Mommy. Mommy we in Sono Minchiao. Work upon Pentecost opposite. We be showing one friend the agro. Samson and Don Pablo Pub. Our Cropon Mandela Junction. Don Pablo Pub. Don Pablo, have you my Michao? Only Jagapi. We are heavy, papa. You know, Virgin Snow White and I'm maintain cow. Virgin Snow White. Heavy pa. Don Pablo, have you my Mintonka? We are heavy in Chiao. Transfer audio and Broma, sport to be bang, Gloria, Manglo, Dian and Champe. Sport to be also my Bimopa. Manglo Tom Bencunia, the Audun in Chan, sport to be so on a moment Bim 80 or 97.1. Inchio, my VA. Incha has 4 sports and food joint. And I think so. Akusi of Akusi and Sano. Which is on a Pamatarian. Akusi of Akusi and Sano. Ane Abna Barry. Gifty and I think so. Me I made for Lisa Brown. Make sure my VA. And no, right side the commentator Tina say. That's when I could coach wa. Robia Asante Onya Meduye. Jeffrey Kufu Boatin Sunya Meduye. Bomusa na writer here na din komo ba ko menu na dey see. But we me din ene na Kwame Amponsa di. Writer, yes no, yes on.
Okay.
Na Kwame Amponsa di ni me din. Obeti my friend me AK. I tell you, me out. Yes.
There's a ever distant. There's a very distant. So
and in the distance, AK. And the man I'm feeling AK. Nina, my minchia, my VA. Nina, I'm heavy.
Me buy. Oh yeah.
I'm toss.
So yeah. Oh yeah. Into no beer nimbi.
Say AK no. Yeah.
To fahwa. On can you now?
Agent so.
AJ. One a friend AJ.
I don't know him.
Okay. AJ. Doko Rexler no.
Baba Jolala. Baba Jolala.
Into nine chebe kona fin samana nin samana ba. Right, so be fine.
Super yamia dom yaba. Nyezi sabati yaba. Yes, yaba.
Yes. Afu bi bag na ututu.
Yes, ekroma sana it say maybe oba no do bibi share bag no so.
Bag so afa na ututu.
Yes, all the tum to the bibi share mu. Yeah, but yaba. Over the weekend. So Ghana puti team no. Oma kwa kwaji yaba. Afcon aba. Ebi musi is the return of the Black Stars.
Asa me
sana mafokeka.
Hypocrisy.
That's how people are saying.
Some team no kono. Nipa do saying na ni
team no. Yes, obi enim.
Say football game na mko boy.
Yes.
Say only say under the Ghana Football Association.
Yes.
Me tia me ya.
Okay.
Nti no mafa no cool.
Mama kwa ba.
Once na me ko no cool no.
Ya kamputi na nkrofo mu ni nkrofo no na yitwa ba ko no.
Disability for no. Disabled for no.
No.
Omo sabi omo nsa ni obi a saba ku no ni ade. Omo tuma akọje cap. Omo ni ane saba akokure nu aje cap.
Akọje cap.
Ni ane na obi o mo na mienu sabi ni omo kura akọje cap. Na mo na mienu mo nsa mienu mo ni guso.
$88,000. Ya de mamo. So mo nkọje
hwe. So 25 million mo nkọje hwe ma.
Yo mu die fiamba skebi mpim but oba akọje ya mo paso.
Me nkabi. Omo ya de me paso but if you a disgrace to them. They should bow down their heads in shame.
It seems like
say whole amputee national team. Eko baby the Black Challenge eko baby.
Yes.
Na more to me I'm mom of them needed support. Na omokwaji ba ye de mo nenam na mo de bomb o samana ne.
Yes.
Ana we hear you. Where's your space?
Yes.
Where's your space in the
studio na she watch Esambo space. You know, super say be ko local.
Say Azake Sele this weekend you to me je cap.
Yes, and draw to me je cap no. We cool chop crowd the mom.
Your mom about 2021 no.
Yes.
2021 o ma ya de papa.
O ma ya de.
Your mom.
But yesterday people na manfo against the Dawson.
Emma
Dina na manfo yes against Bibre.
Say mom again. I'm supporters of for no.
Lady Strikers. But am I the other same member my basom. But Andra okay, my concern ba ko me hu say omo boske bi say mba na ye we trophy na ye de mo keke. Just say the trophy no mo ye hu kaka
so be kaya one say dey na ye ne di nkomo ye. Panel di nkomo no. Once the bizan say sika sen ana mpanyi formula nche no omo kan say omo de atoso. Oche mu say ama mba amount bia so say ama nka amount bia ntinu say na tie no.
But
that's our football for you.
If we know about still almost 2 weeks.
That's Ghana football for
tournament.
You. That's Ghana football
or the car cover or rent cover.
Anything I own, you call outside the country ya. Na enim go say na aba.
Aba yes.
See a certain heart of folk. Amo de amo nim go say there. Amo na I don't
Super.
want to talk about them.
Me come na has in common with you because Andra give me the course no. Near your monitor. Videos no mo ye live no near monitor. Board member Penny Bako pa edwa. E o kasa bebre.
Say me no club ya na na ehwe game no. Onti achiri. Me TV bia.
The amount for antene ye de aba.
The amount for battery ni na amu kasa bebre.
Yes mo kasa.
Ya ma umba na wo kasa. Ya ma wo nso a hwe bo fo a wo bo.
Mo bot se mba.
Na se bo no mo bo se mba.
Mo bo se mba.
No obi choro say ye sanka ye dey Azake Sele this man ko bo.
Ko betimi aya
dey. Ko ya dey asin has to folk.
Yes, ko ya dey. But has team no nkomo wechire. Team na kasa
they are not say oti nkomo na mu di wechire no.
Na ana tiefo so ba beti.
Yes.
E betie.
Cause mpanyifo na aka ye do tinachi a o kasa.
Ye
do ko gira mu so hwebo a wo bo. Hwebo a wo bo.
They played as women's. I don't it's very shocks. But yeah, come bra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yadi Wadoka Hua, and EJ Kahua, Yadi Reshimua, Yadi Wadoka Hua, and EJ Kahua, Yadi Resh.
And you know, right on.
Super. We have a fisherman to also Jumedian Sono, Famation, family are still 97.1 FM. It's Robert Johnny of Facebook now. I had videos, no, I had pictures with Biasono to Miako Kanya, Comosono, and Fidia Kaisano. So, Sandra, after a house of folk, Elusu game, yes, I'm a Miabi, to Johnny of Facebook, no, be a show now. You had a video number 2 now, Biasono, to me, Akon Kaintin, and house of folk, Elusuno, now, yes, I'm on Fuenia J, Papa, old woman, pa, almost about 100 plus, no, and has Elusu game, no, now, I'm in Nia Japan, Hong Kong, no, and Fidia Grow, it's real scientific operation, and the Pencotiasis in the Stones and Pioneers, some say, I'm free and draw over the weekend, now, Penny Bashe, oh, Madina Astrotef now, Comono, and Fidia Grow, not a woman super cup, no, I had a semi final, and I said a final, no, and Red Toja, oh, Madina, now, and Commando, so, and Fidia Grow, Kaisano, so, as a third place, no, it's me at 3 p.m. Bobo Kwadi at the Ampim da Kwa ladies say to me at on Saturday Fair Praise ladies. Now give on a band you na Ampim da Kwa to me. Every by 3 goes to 1. Now Hong Kong no and Fidia gonna final no to just 6 p.m. The chroma time dear Sabian Fanya Jumakran Fendia Grana 6 p.m. no give on 8 me to Bobo Kwadi and you do as Bobo Kwadi yes Hazake say to me at lady strikers upon economy and son what to me 18 bako Horma na Hong Kong no and Fidia say and ana in common ACT after said Jumedio no enya eba after 2 weeks solid a year women's a year super cup no and common say na ACT Bobo Kwadi at the Azake Selise ready kind and answer one no to me 81st so and a lady striker say to me etosumi no Bobo Kwadi ni ampem da kwa etosumi sa and a prison ladies so to me etosu nanya na Hong Kong so no enya Fidia going to be join here our Facebook and brana game no to me atoja na en common enya Fidia Grow fans no one more atmosphere one more a joy and enkoma na efimo ba no na eno so enya Fidia Grow tendra fans no to me enya je Azakes ladies ko piema lady strikers one more fans no enya je anti join here our Facebook our 97.1 FM na biaso no to me enko enkan our nandra after say game no eba no say ana uko piema goals no to me APM group A 15 goals ana to me APM Sasana group B 15 goals to me semi final 7 goals and a third place and draw 4 goals to me and a final no 5 goals to paint so okay can in Yaboma tournament no every 46 goals and in 16 matches no and the anon come and yadi imagine for our the boss sports stadium and home come so no enya Fidia Grow na wuko piema say na siatie top scorer Gladys and Phobia was 5 goals so sia kan at the man lady striker so and abobo and team at the Mary and Ponsa one also 5 goals so no sia kind Mabo Kwadi at the ampem da quantity top scorers no Mbabo me no Gladys and Phobia one sia kind at my lady striker so and abobo and Dindi Mary and Ponsanti ano enkomo and now kopiema young Lydia discovery of the tournament abobo and Din at the Latifa no sia kind at my ampem da kwa 13 years and abobo dia the Ghana Football Association and in form organize the tournament to see yes one and the discovery of the tournament come so no enya Fidia Grow to me Robeko Facebook over say Ziggy B at the pictures ni phone no at the toso na enmo and a goalkeeper the best goalkeeper abobo and the team at the diner one ese kind of Mabo Kwadi at the Azake Selise so and a Gladys and Phobia one so to me most valuable player at the tournament na come so no enya Fidia Grow after the game coach is out on it to me Kasai head coach at my prisons ladies yes head coach at my prisons ladies papa no kwa credit by say yes game no tournament no way preparation ahead of the season
me find say we are preparation towards the league your boy your ba see you be win cup no ba akoba ni say nti you be fan say nti you can prepare for the league no oh performance ni dey dey ani elake nyama bi nkitenketen ba football on say the awo no eno na we use e bi ni ba bia biom nti sa na ebeba no oh the mega champion say omo expecting our league no say say ya go back akako ya homework here starting league now on be different team
And we are Kumakra head coach Erma Prisons ladies warrior by every Emma Geneti for na Kaisana so Esa Nyamiaduma Fiada First Ladies Cup no ebe to me atoja ewa Cross Sports Stadium bubu kwa din ade ampem da kwa any Azakes ladies and around time so ewa Cross Sports Stadium na head coach Erma ampem da kwa papa ne Kumakra dia base Nyamiaduma First Ladies Cup ebe toja ewa Cross Sports Stadium Friday no masa pe ni be hwe bubu kwa din Azakes no wo meduo mani ache many match papa Nyamiaduma Friday fans and Embra Accra Sports Stadium.
First Ladies Cup no we saw a first time and also yes she be the mamba football and also another opportunity ma football Ghana minim say so kan team you know obedi kan aka Azakes ni ampem da ko a nti ye ba ye no mabo ama o ma hye o ma ya de but minim say Nyamiaduma Friday obi amehwe ball no bi obenu no ho so obi amehwe ball no bi Friday a menim so obenu no ho so wan hwe sa match ni bi na me bomb paye say anka no so be live said we ya na aboa mamma football apega menim say Nyamiaduma Friday ye be ton ball papa di ama said ye nwie no nanka ya nya sponsors bi kra ma ba say e ma football ye ba be sponsor ama na konani di Friday obi amra Accra Sports Stadium no me hebo
and we are Kumakra head coach Ermabo Kwatini ampem na kwa wadhi ba yes Emma Geneti for Dauda yes one head coach and my lady strikers no and the team no ele 2 by 3 goals to 2 na Ermo papa betu just say yes game no a very fantastic game but the girls no elusu concentration in the first half but second half no work on the girls ne kasa no and pulley 2 goals no e dey amomo.
You know, playing against Azakes, no, yeah, in say, an easy match, you know, vice champion of Africa now, so you have to prepare well. You try your best. I think we play against the first match, you know, it's me winning. So yes, I'm the final leader. You can see. I won't mention maybe one or two things. I think. Among some who they were acquired, but yet we had luck. I would say had luck in a sense. So yet we created chances by Antimanche, and then they took their chances. I would say your morale go down. You know, you can see what happened in first half. Referee Yakoshegu Nipada ho and see foul ball like stop the game. Yes, we are Nipada from almost 1 minute. Now Oba still a Ohuni Panama Wanji, and also count and my morale go down. So we have to go in the dressing room, sack them again. Na yet me ba second half we tried ba anye.
Now coach wakoka officiating one seven so far tournament no who rate referees na who rate you am saying.
I have a word, you know, I think officiating na young training room. Okay. Yes, they need training.
Do rate officiating na be rating say.
You can see 0 over 4. Yeah, cause e costume say one goal e costume. Ni panel down for 1 minute. But we me be because we see engine. But onu wa ba na we see ombo. So e costume. So yeah.
And the Osha coach no so rate referees na 0 over eke yaka 0 over 4 do so le chese 0 over 4.
I have a word, you know, I think officiating na young training room. Okay. Yes, they need training.
Do rate officiating na be rating say.
You can see 0 over 4. Yeah, cause e costume say one goal e costume. Ni panel down for 1 minute. But we me be because we see engine. But onu wa ba na we see ombo. So e costume. So yeah.
Yeah, no 0 over 4 means yes here.
What do you mean? Ni panel down for 1 minute. But we me be because we see engine. But onu wa ba na we see ombo. Can see 0 over 4. Yeah, cause e costume 0 over 4. Yeah, cause e costume say one goal e costume. Ni panel down for 1 minute. But we me be because we see engine. But onu wa ba na we see ombo. So e costume. So yeah.
Okay, 0 over 4.
So na chese a performance na nyakura still na 0. Yes, poor means enye. Yes, the performance no was very poor.
Okay.
And then even in poor no muno cross and rating no kora no benya 0.
Obese ya 0.
That be assessor piano waka na there. So 0 over 4 there.
That be poor. Waka 4. Also
poor. Rating no out of 4 obema ni 0.
Okay.
And so I see if out of 4 no obema ni 0. But penny yoka no so no 0 over 4 or 4 0 over 4 no so
As the head coach, my lady strikers, Mr. Dauda, and we need team coach. Yusuf Bazigi Asedabi. Now one Kasakura Sebi. Koko na papa di nkuba akradi aba say yes game no nya da easy but at least no bonny girls na baso na so metimi agikruwa no.
Very difficult. No, it's a clear indication. Starting sector, you give me a very, very tough because lady strikers they are not a bad side at all. So, we share second half now. They came in very strongly. It means that tactically they listen to their coach, maybe as to how to deploy their tactics against us, and I would say that it worked for them. Just that. At a point in time, we also had to also map up a strategy to stop the goals from coming in because if you look at how they had the 2 quick goals, we had to also find an antidote to that, and it worked for us. Yeah, it affected him, and there's no doubt about it. Makers affected him very well. Especially so we changes in defense. So we feel say affecting him.
Head coach Adam Abu Kwate had Hazaka selected Yusuf Bazigi and come on and over the weekend yes Ghana under 20 team no one more 8 to fan equal Zambia and Zambia women's under 20 team no at the current time so Africa U20 Cup of Nations qualifies and now come on so no enya for their group you know what we had the ball Elton Yonko at him after the game ban for head coach Adam the Black Princesses under 20 paper kuma kwadi abasa yes the girls no my idea Wama bomo body pound into the drawing board tactical board no yes now wama share second league encounter 17th December no now womu 8 me tria for bo call din ari Zambia eso.
Well, thank you very much. I think what you wanted didn't happen, and that is football. You know, it's very thing that thing happen. Things sometimes not expected to happen. Our guys did well, and unfortunately we couldn't utilize our chances. So we do. So we just go home and work out some lapses we need to correct before the second game. Well, as I said earlier, we didn't convert it to get a win today. That's why I have to go home and work it out. I have to get a win in the second league in Ghana. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen the way it used to happen. As I said earlier, our girls did well. I'm happy about the performance. Only we didn't score. We go home and work it out and go in the second game in Ghana.
And we command head coach yes Ben Foucault what about Mr. Johnny of Facebook near the video no at the air bar after say house of folk hello shoot to Bobo Kwatini JSS no yes Mami Abrewa no saipa no mun join here na bia so etimi ankonka iti Ziggy and video no by Mr. Johnny of Facebook 97.1 Okuman 97.1 FM to join ya no to boase pa temu kutu pa the video no at the air over the weekend Ghana Premier League say na community at week 6 Adriana Stars 3-1-0 Lions 1 Saso and 11-1-0 Bobo Kwatini Sharks Carolina United 2-1 Crowd Great Olympic 0 Bechem United 0 Krobia Kumasi Samtrako 2 Alaji Grusa 3 Bobo Kwatini Bechem United yes on Olympic game no Ekwe 0 Salsona Brekum Chelsea Etifema RTU ebe bone kanba kwa went to me Ensima Braka Lagos City etufako eyo boasi on Ashanti Gold Ekwe 0-0 Salso and Dream Selfsea ati ayebe bieni Gold Stars ebone kalmi no want to me etim bako say na common here King Foysa already can with 13 points Bobo Kwatini kotoko 13 points Adriana Stars our 11 points and Bobo Kwatini at the Dream Selfsea our 10 points top 4 no perform relegation and only 1 for 16th position our 5 points Brekum Chelsea at the 17th position our 4 points House of Folk at the 18th position our 3 points our honma come so no enja fidi agralaji grusa say zabe wa she kotokopa wankasapa enkoyokokrepa koroko team no teamway star boys in the ball star boys in the ball laji goes ni basana ni wakasa.
It's not the first time so beat Kotoko. Ya she Kotoko 3-1 ama Kambu. Ndegura who say Gwada say no di wo mutu America. Ana wa fe match. Jesus me na wo pese me catch. Who ya idea you akuma. Who my player we say Ibrahim the end who go one see ashaw. Nyame na ye nyame. Insha wa ji parati amamu wa ji amaye. And we say Ade Ibrahim wo good in my alone. no go me lose. Anka ya san am squash league baku. Conference league no anka e relegation wan bo bi amaye. Ye ni Chelsea enurachi wo ba ye wan bo bi ya lose. Ba ha Midiama. Yebo 0-0. Man. Inde won ka hu. Ya she 3. Inshallah
Enti ekroma no yes. Bankula kasana sebe. Nkrofo no so omo ye person voice about radio so no so kasebi. Enti ano Prosper now say the penalty from where he was that it was a clear penalty, but the ball hits the player's hands. So it was a penalty.
From where I stood, it was a penalty. I saw a penalty. The ball hit the hand. I don't know what decision else he took. He can only explain. I don't know. He's the only person who can explain. But the ball hit the hand. It was a foul in the penalty area. And per the laws of the game, when the ball hits the hand in the penalty area, it's a penalty. He took it only for the assistant 2 who is far away, and the fourth referee to tell him that it wasn't a penalty. The assistant 1, the assistant 2 moved to the line to award a penalty, but he said it was not a penalty.
And I don't know, Zubair Ibrahim, the player to score Krobia Kumasi Santrako this season, and also the first player or the 3 goals at the Atwa Brante Daniel Razak Abelowa Netmo. Yes, Ibrahim Zubair, you didn't come out credit Basa, yes, or better trading upon Yakupo Basaya. I say, wait me about hat trick. Nanny there when him second Faisal Legno do something.
Because we see a big team now, we say 3 goals. I was saying because like all no crash like confidence now only be born. Now it's match 3 goals. I was saying many. Me say dem na me ask myself na mama say. Say there like say the league needs to course me did say give face a bit my.
And no, Ibrahim, I don't know. More on your Facebook. Na yedi wianesa over the weekend. Ghana ya amputee team no. Wamo etimi eko Tanzania ekoje Africa Cup of Nations. Eddie Esiom nase wamo ene Liberia ene ko final. Eno esomo 3-2 Kaishano so eso match somboy almost say Egypt 3-0. Eko se Nigeria 4-1. Ese Angola 3-1. Eko se Togo esa se Kenya anti teamsa. Womo etumi esomo a final no womo ene bobo kwade de Liberia eboy no som 3-2 come so no enye fidiagro mo join your Facebook and House of Folk lose by 4-0 and the Ocean House of Folk womo away our CAF Confederation and the Champions League Rokaboma 10-1 and the womo akwaja somo work for some 6 ana Andra womo elusu 4 and no o kanini aboma 10-1 e wonu mti this season House of Folk womo comment mo join your Facebook Ziggy Mr. Offer video neto sumamena over the weekend video of the day no watching homena pa after say House of Folk Eluciano and the mamano video no and a Ziggy at the ato so okay yedi this is I have to be on monitor show from afar yes I think I'm be obedient but me bona man ye ya so shebeba nti no yeah you know I don't know yem fancy na no nti no mo Facebook video no Ziggy ya de toso video of the day no Ziggy e de toso nti no yes no I'm chia guess ni nia na minchia AK ni girls no obi omo onkrofo no omo free AK no yes AK AK those who call you AK nti AK wejai
na
Dabi video of the day yes video of the day Dabi share video of the day nti oko Facebook Ziggy di atoso after say House of Folk Luciano mamen di atoso Dabi nyeye Dabi nyeye oh enye ase Dabi
no neni age so
neni yes o ma say House of Folk yes
be here na say no scores no
yes o te scores no yes eno my ya nti what ya say 9
so that na abo first half
na ya she has 2 you know yes no yes oya kotokoni osheni sisi ni pa
so bi so red ejina ni nchen
say ono she red ne ya kotoko
obi so na she red etwam
yes ne ya kotoko
say ye ne say boys no guess
yes
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 ana no muti has commentary
no What you say? And you saw almost share kotoko ni wie no.
Ah, that time no ma share kotoko.
No ma share kotoko wie.
Internet is we na kwese yenya ya bo pepe.
Yenya bo pepe. You know?
Ti no dia sana.
Yes, odia sana. Odia sana. Yes, on Facebook.
We dey say ko chika kra na fi onana.
Yes, onana. Ma me no show o yeyi pa.
Mo ye yi mo Facebook mo say video.
Yeah, video ni go.
O journey live for Facebook.
Mo journey live for Facebook.
Command 97.1.
Yes.
Or command 97.1 Facebook. We ko say abroad be over 90 years.
Yes, over 100 cra.
Na enra first half has game.
Yes.
Na has that form a cameo.
No.
Na ma meet score line na just say e na so wo no nyina just say.
Yes.
Just say o ma ko see body
na
na ade.
I'm a for join it. Yes, I'm a for join it.
Just say ma me na so odi no.
Superu.
Video one journey Facebook.
One journey on Facebook as well, Shefa. Video of the day. Yes, super
over 90 years.
Yes.
Now what's that time for? But say ni
yasa ask me no.
First half akone wie.
Yes.
Na just say ye na say ni bon nyom na ye score line to na so na.
Oni me nyuma no mobo. Oni nyuma mobo. Oni nyuma mobo.
As a fire ko chika.
Fire ko ye chika kra. O we no dey house nyom dey so. Arrows. Onimto. Yes.
Facebook for me say Facebook for na kasa.
Omo kasa. Yes. Yes. I'm join.
Facebook for mon kasa na.
Mon kasa.
Mami ne na no won anu odin.
Anu odin.
So no twa no.
Super. And here is
o. After say house.
After say house to first half na. First half na obutu sokodia.
Was citizen.
Yes, I say.
Was citizen.
Yenchiana.
As Ghana is funny.
Ghana will be funny. Ghana too is funny.
We have to say.
Ngami adu bochira me de kotoko de ne beba. After say share kotoko. Yes, 3-2 no. Supporter be so ya. And no it's against the.
They still has board member bia.
Yes, woman be refi. Super can be refi. Andra. And ziki di video ne to ziki ma video ne nda so sa enda so sa etevontie and house game ne koso no house game ne koso no ha super enkomo efie chire board member pa ne komo no eno nie
bra ye bre nyina na ba ye kwa e bo se ma that guy complain when see me say you touch me obi say sika it's painful. It's very painful. I'm going to anyway. Kasa you touch you. You be am na me complaining. Man you say na me complaining. Any idea ni so no. Don't go feel me make am come to some. It's very painful. Me what can you me? You serious. All I'm moving the car. That's it. What you have? What you have? Oh, you don't know. Oh, you know how you like it. Unnecessary complaint.
Okuma Radio.
And the House of Folk. The other no. Super Nyezo. Asemo. Wow.
Okay, man, cover.
You know, I know Andrea Corso, House of Folk, and GS Rawa game, no, and I know Coma, of course, so a year. game no Algeria. So it's very sad. Once a board member and we to be frank, Yanfa Grunton chain. Andra has game no ball.
No more complain.
Super
Yensen Park and so.
Yensen Tibium.
Jamu yomu engineer.
Yes, I ETF for Yensen Tibium.
Brian, na buy kwa. Ebo boss man. Ebo boss man. That guy complain when see me say you touch me, you touch me. You touch me, I mean touch me. Obi says sika. Obi says sika. Obi says sika. It's what painful. Painful. Very painful. Go back your ball. Ball am ball Ghana anyway be me. Kasa you touch me. You give me am na me complaining. Man you say na me complaining. Any idea ni so no. Don't go feel over the young country. It's very painful. It's very painful. Me, what can you make? Munye serious. All I move on the car. That's it. What you get? What you have? Oh, you don't man. Oh, you know how you like what you do. Oh, move your mother. Unnecessary complaint. Unnecessary complaint. So, but you know how I should ne po we yes yes. Yes, I did be on Benyain. Did be on Benyain. That radio for the terrorists that say goons are now the dia.
Hey, right there. If you see as well. Wa ko bo ne ya se wa. Yeah, it.
Oh, yeah, radio. All na face me.
Radio for ti no kai.
That radio for the terrorists that say goons are now the dia.
And you know, all right,
okay.
Radio for hiding. Hat to folk.
Radio about them.
Has a force here can't say munu.
Now, boy say ball, say munu boy.
Walk on ball fun. Dear, Mammy can't has a fort ye. Share more. So, say, one crying. Bomb and no boy, yes. It's more finding that problem, Nana. And I'm a solution to it, now we are technical team. We are board member. Now, ball fun. Ewa we near shower. Was the radio for near Kansim. When your coach is not performing, when your team is not performing, now we from our point of view, no, and can goalkeeper now in the chair, no. Goalkeeper now in the chair, no. She first go ahead, she
first go. I was very disappointed. I don't know.
4 goals now. You say I want any. There's no keeper, better keeper. And I saw 4 goals and I say never say no. Now I saw goals. You have a radio for radio for keeper. I get a first pool. You both.
Very sad. Richard.
Me right and I probably.
I'm actually coaching.
She second goal area ball. I can't want me senior.
Punch ball.
Me.
Okay.
Now board member, I want to team funim. Now so can see cancer.
You can't say for.
Team performing no. Out of folk, you are not performing. Mon performing Africa, Mako Jen was a poto
10.
In CAF Champions League, I'm fat. Maba to my level, Confederations Cup, and also wow, abysmal performance. Oh, I can say radio for the cancer. Oh, Bobo, fine, but just a
cancer. A drop ball phone on boy. Okay, my face, my metia 90.
Taxpayers' money. Has a team now. I'm going to 1 million. Ghana citizens or president or the kind of president, and a personal money no taxpayers' money no president at the mamu. It's what can uncle perform. I make us ready for the careful.
I found the back.
Shefata Mohammed.
Yesterday they played
the ball when it is I me.
They played very I don't know
who are certain Dabi. That was certain Larry Sumaila.
Yes, okay. What I don't know, Brighton.
I don't know. In the first half, I don't know social formation of boy. He started radio vocal, right?
Yes.
No Bono. Not his favorite position. And in the first half, not taking him off. I know they when I Osha game no, Osha comment and people were asking for where Patrick Razak was.
Yes.
last Thursday, but
yes,
I'm catch you say I also started Patrick Razak because of the pace. Or the ball no mungu, or the do any no bogu kurana a threat to their defenders.
Yes,
to be pushing match.
Yes.
But coach na mono. Still second half and I saw 3. People were asking, bring in Patrick Razak against Wak.
Yes.
10 years 6.
I know Obey
because of the pace, the threat to defenders. What was the idea from the Wak game? Someone would once in the Wak game. Has technical team no board no the entire folk team no once you say
a video no go show video they just watch the video
say you show video once you say and you go and perform this now by because radio 4 me when I'm here the ball come echi me na me go tare Facebook na me Richard Baidu and I'm here William Deji
enko say you
why ageni mbwati nyabo bi Satan 3-0 monja ko
yes.
Me na monja
yes. Well, in the 18-year box in
yes, I did one defender and goalkeeper.
Yes.
Opportunity no I want the favorite foot obo to shoot at go obo pim nipa and you say me amete ya no me na mai see e ka fa che obo fun. You be ka che say ball fun na obo. From Tamale to Kumasi Accra born. You come back and prepare yourself for the Ghana Premier League. How many games in Ewomu?
3 outstanding, yes.
3 outstanding games.
Obebo Mediama, Abo Brekum Chelsea.
No, Aboko Kotoko. I'm more prepared towards that games.
A difficult game, the battle. That game could be baby 1.2.
Oh, that be.
Okay.
Some say Accra there, I'm about my idea.
Accra on Bomb Yard there. And I Pakwa and the Kobono so I could lose in the game.
And then there's one Koroko never born. I know Mediama never want to Brekum Chelsea.
Mediama, they are on fire this.
We're local, we're on a level.
Away of level.
So many pay.
So but okay. Okay, mediasi mediasi.
Okay. You know, right now I'm saying Kano. Anyway, to my journey live on Facebook, Command Radio 97.1 or Command Radio 97.1 Facebook, Samsung on YouTube, and so on Command Radio 97.1. Hey, Abroway, that's with Diasa sa. Abrowan that's with Diasa sa. Go Facebook. Theophilus Latte. I say good afternoon. The writer, you guys are really fantastic. Keep it up. I am watching you live from Safari. I am enjoying your show. Rough. Keep it up. Okuman Radio. You are the best. Onosonedia. Ultimedia. But Millicent Jamia. I said this. I say Abrowana San. Hey, we are against the first. Pa. Ko chika kra. That's 1-9. That's the first half. No 1-9. Sa Millicent Jamia. So sa. Ni say we am Jamia. Ono the right time no never ko. Am Jamia. Yebeko. Isaac Opoku. Ono no Major Pharmacy. Uremu ha. Yes. Major 1 and say Ike. Isaac Opoku say Ike back up Major Pharmacy. I say I'm watching your live. And also ne dear etimi e dey aba or heavy pap me yare na be fa wa do no kabubuma. Sisa ne sa de mami so ko na kwanom na be bo adwuma fama okoma for. Ntino Major 1 and I feel so say Ike. Ebien so no ma yenchia mo ye heavy papa we heavy papa sanso na John Swine I see the best sports radio and TV channel come on hashtag and also etime de ne dia ba sanso na I say okay John Swine I say it's live watching you inside Tamakpon and also Anakpon we pon yes heart disappointed as pa there's also de ne dia ba Shaibu James Avenue I say the writer. There's also Tugumusa. And also to me the India Millicent Jamil. I say I'm watching live. And also area by Nazareth Parry by Edward Williams. Yes, citizen. I say this country is funny. We shall bro over 90 years and Kabana. Oh, bomb pie crowd my hasa. I can be but I don't know 1-9 or 1-9. So I can't chino 1-9. There's more fire. And also, I don't know, and then the message is Aba Krobia Santiatana say, right at Trans nothing, so no, coffee coach, ha, and also, let me add an idea about, and I still do, okay, correct, Abba, okay, evaluation is through, evaluation of coffee coach at say, right, and so I nothing, so no, Krobia Sante, and also, at me at say, still on a command global sports, a command 97.1. ana utie no betimi eke me wa messages na ba no e funny kakra na dia Krabia say be fine
okay if you come if you
na buy na me bag si ona akobibi ma
now bag is on
so me himself family bag abibi ma
okay na bia na me pe storybook bi ba me hu se bi wo ho ntina me hwe se anka me sa be kan but enim
storybook ben
me said dan hwe din no ba me hu
na hu storybook
ko me books no do so ntia ma me ntumi enyi so what as nti bia ye pon ana akwa kohwem
okay so you be fine
okay
we can do
the baby enye because Nioma essay left right center
obisi me bisa enye wo ba me bisa si me bisa chawadwe for say between your relationship and your phone phone new relationship na wo mu sesi ano dey na ulusu a ebe o yapa
me phone
okay
sure
ulusu phone ebe o yapa
phone ebe me ya I'm saying relationship bia no
yes obana no wo kwa
me ni wo kwa saa nso na se me fa oba no so na me dwa phone na se phone so me no wo kwa ba phone no is very important
the phone who has relationship
with phone menya better relationship with my phone
okay
yes ba wo relationship no no into dabi
e ma better phone
okay
e bi oba bit ma o 13 bi
okay we can do the bleedy
okay
investors bleedy papa
me say my phone me different
Bitcoin ana
we say more different
okay you bleedy papa investors week we ankoye week we investors ye bre papa
more different match we are made to this
yeah bre na okay ye nchi obi bia na ene minchia Sunday Boys nyina minchia wo na Ultimate Association eno nso minchia wo yeah Ultimate Association
okay
and we the former school class 6 honom na ye nyate be 10 member we bia ye ngate association na very way pa anu ye din
register
yeah if you say next month from January na sisi ya nga ye into sisi ane de yakeka bibia aboani nti it has come to stay into registration no ye de akwahye January nti if say we obi a we obetumi aye very loyal in terms of contribution attending other occasions require for say betumi akona unso benya kwan ne sa nyoma na unso betumi aba badwane na bibia nso etumi aye kama Ultimate Association until ba sisi anu so far ye 10 ana ye wo ntino registration because of January
okay I match Ghana Premier League weekend
okay
yeah
and if yes
James Abesa yes amano yam kwa manani yam Ghana Premier League
yam abaye ba ko mienu
and I want someone
but amono ne de say investors na ye bre papa unsa ankoye amfama Chelsea na womo aim to say womo be clinch the top and say womo be stick it to the Premier League top no into me ambassador this time round womo no counterpart say Manchester City and Liverpool to me abe take one about third position but I think say points no still na very closer omo to me catch up going forward and Real Madrid and so still Real Sociedad anoita performance omo koda nedi after Karim Mustafa Benzema Krapia now here Luka Jovic and Vinicius Junior this season and Abrante no uko ene La Liga ene Benzema fiwa ono ye the second top scorer scoring 11 goals in the Premier League manase La Liga games are so far and Benzema has 12 goals and Abrante no modern ball Europe currently no anu ya den papa mi Abrante Karim Benzema Mohamed Salah Vinicius ball no anu ya den eke Barcelona said they are making can say ne Xavi ejuma no ba be ye no Xavi betumi amoderate niama ma Barcelona enye se wo lusu 3-4 ne ade obe moderate niama kama ma team no but e ba be ye ordinary team to the standard of Sevilla Real Sociedad for the next mefa say a year or 2 day sana Barcelona be remaining eno de sana Real Madrid and I say Barcelona e be remaining tino Xavi emba so be fight for trophy on to minje trophy bia eno de Barcelona obi anyi fan free ni team but obe moderate stabilize niama kakra
but sayana results no de ebetumi akoko edwuma edin obehia bre okay yembre fie na yembehwe senia local matches no nso no etumi ekwe na menda Ghana amputi yi challenges funo enso ase say wo mukwa wo metumi akwaje tournament we tournament I think say even Okuma Global Sports yenso yenga intumi excel this competition ananka wo muka akobo and minye ni se media house bi wo krom ha no nso ene na ho after say wo makwaje abeyi say wo mu abeyi wo mu ba be call president Jubilee House na wo matumi akope biribi kakra se ne adaye ye no enti a eba e wo ho ne say even transportation fee and says car one more the flight in Adia Bakra are not adding. And these are players one more foreign based players. Some from Turkey are one more ball and put teams honoma professional ones indeed. Our mobile. I think say the goalkeeper on open free Ghana ha utumi equal journey and 7 aside no 8 players per no mutumi de kwai 7 aside no 8 players inti ankaba ku plus king no ajeje ba nyam kopon so edi wo mo afofi man neyi one keeper and 7 other players no wo mo born sa etumi ekweni mo adeje tournament no congratulations and so enko enfa ma wo mo elho na Zakes ladies nso no still na wo mo nso continue wo mo emphatic season wo mo enya the 2020-21 season no trophies bia no wo mo etumi aje so far e wo Ghana ha and oko other countries nso na say the competition ewo Africa ne aden so wo metumi dominate bi so fine kama ewo hono ntino yenda wo mase once again say wo nso etumi eje Super League no ewo mano afemu ewo I think say ne ana wo say under 17 games bi a wo mo bo tournament right last week or the be two no and then wo mo start and no one asem the later ye behwe say dia ye betumi aka no ewo okay derby no ekoso Kumasi based King Faisal eni Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana wo mode ewindam so ewo League 6 ana say week 6 ekoso ewo the Ghana Premier League and ye nyina ye kono na ye hwenim say Kotoko eye unbeaten winning 4 games drawing 1 and okoma na che say team my friend King Faisal and so out of the 5 no na things we to me win 3 a draw 1 lose ba ko ono so e de ba game ni mu el ho no mo na Alaji Grusa na wakasa bebre said ya nyina ye nimu no and me de papa ne kasa na okasa na minum say wo mo betumi prove a point because this season wo hwe team a wa bro title contenders pa ye ko game we mu no na ye Kumasi King Faisal and games a wo mo abo this season no any environment a wo mo visit nya good results no as to compare with Kotoko wo hwe dreams a enye news teams bia Kotoko ehye wo no me I think say 11 wonders no mo ba Kumasi na wo hye wo ma I think say untumi compare no to wo hye results no King Faisal betumi akọ hye eduana e wo doma these are title contenders and now hye teams na King Faisal abo Ashanti Gold odin kan e de Ashanti region derby ba ko no de nature at form the down now wo hye sa game na ye ka akobona na anu ye den Kotoko in the absence of Richard Buedu Agadas ono act as the Mayford Maestro Ojina defenders anymore Buano Abrantia no absence no how Richmond Lamte this is in these are 2 players my so phenomenal idea Kotoko side no womu nyina no entumi ambobi honoma and also na Kotoko elake with and the team my friend no King Faisal so eba without one top striker Osman Ibrahim due to loan regulations and as a rules ni adinti no went to me ambono na yenim se King Faisal for ne be den e go ato Kotoko atinem and Kotoko so no ahead of this game no one concede 1 goal in 5 games na King Faisal so concede 2 goals in any 5 games woman so at by 19 HS Frank Boateng and Abaroa goalkeeper for King Faisal and Kotoko respectively no woman nyina modern bon so to me asoeni any Richard Akrofinum any Abdul Ganiu from Kotoko any no King Faisal no woman nyina so modern bono asoeni any woman Mayford any attack no na chese woman excel good game at the Ghana Premier League in the first 5 games intini e hwe nim say these 2 na woman so that league log no so first position and second position no saying na woman betumi excel this game and it was a game na Alaji Grusa indeed the okan no nyina no and so etumi eba into reality a woman etumi share Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko by 3 goals to 2 and
one approach a memebo wo mu coach no aba so any players no nyina aba so no ye wo mo ye wo adwe say wo ma monitor kotoko ache ehun say kotoko first 4 games and I said 5 games ni nyina no wo mo strength no e was second half and wo mu tumi boa na wo mu hodi wa second half na wo ma be she goals no late minutes and I said die embers of the game no na wo ma be tumi aba benya wo mu wini nti no it was a game where wo ma steady kotoko fo na che ahwe wo mu videos ni ade. And the coach no juma womu ye said the first 15-20 minutes ye the be gina womu so pressure because womu to me before womu be stabilize no nya the 2 needed goals na efe no yen so ye ho to me ahen into be sha first 5 minutes and a first goal to me a buy and we share the first 10 minutes high intensity game. The sense of urgency from Kinfesa players, I want to see Kotoko so as na first 5 minutes goes in the by as na the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes now 2 goals no one way to me register no a game a woman so no plan a woman de buy a nina no to me a boy ama woman so to me enya sawi no el honomo into no yebebo in the Kinfesa abaso say season no said the woman start no woman start here last season relegation a threatening one and this season said the woman start here no nya baby jina na eneno time our relegation battle no be start no na wo good position uko away na unya draw ubofie na ubo draw bia na no so etumi aboa elho said ya last season eboa ene great olympics say ya na eneno Kinfesa wo man start wo mo be kwa ba Kinfesa I know any Kinfesa players wo mo eke wo mo be yade ba league no wo mo be kim but wo mo ambition no eso ba wo mu ntumi achieve o Ghana Premier League nim top 4 wo mu ntumi achieve say wo mo je the ultimate wo mu ntumi achieve but dia Olympics last season na wo mo ba into second round no wo ma je wo mo point egu na che say wo mo ntumi aka league nim ho no make no ye modern bo a wo mo so etumi boy de eti akotoko ho no ma yenda in the Kinfesa yembo ma ba so ye papa ho
no alaji se o ka so be shamwa no
yeah okay and eje right center wakasa be for the past and Nikasa no enye eneu okay last season time a obeka say kotoko dia kotoko aye say wo mu ko relegation say ka kitu bi an kotoko ma wo mu ko anodi kan be kan say won kotoko aka bribie wie yempo ye betena haka say no you crazy say wo mu tumi chere alaji grusa because utumi Charlie Bank roller mu awo ni to utumbe kasi ma ye bribi ewie na efe mudu field no so ya team ba kwa koyiwa ma na eche se den ne course se wati ase ntino ya de wa abokotoko ato and Abrante friend Zuberu Ibrahim no awo replace Osman Ibrahim no Abrante na abo modern Abrante akola keto akora wo hwe ni mu se ketekra
6 months 17 years 6 months
nti yiwa kwa ye be 2021 is it ne real age no wo hwe ne nim ni ade a wakwa ye 2021
Chisan 17 years
okay
6 months
ya kola keto akra 17 years
ni age no
eno
ni age award wo no 17 years and already
okay nti uko professional football card no so agf ayama wom na 17 years no wo
anya professional card if na the birth certificate ni age no
okay okay Legino no I think but I think say early stages yet you be to me actually because binom nso efe na won apeke won baby ene edua na start ye kura o
but baby
between on the kotoko even any the only table no 2 points
but then what you apeke
sure
nkaka
2 points
surprising results out to you getting an away win against Berkum Chelsea last minute and a victory by Branton David Abagna. Fantastic. This season 6 matches 6 goals.
6 goals, yeah.
And also to match.
And also Ushane modern boy or Ashanti good. Ushe sika eneno to you to me etuai de etos Abrantena. Na me na me won pa say nti Abagna kotoko had to fuka ka Africa obi bia ntumi anto David Abagna because he nyina yenim ne pedigree any standard na the Ashanti good nso etumi ankodo with set us enom any other players and wo mo bo Ashanti good last season. And David Abagna din awage Ghana Premier League mu for the past 3-4 seasons actually say indeed onim league ni mu nti bra wo mo ton nam say amafo wo mo emini business and tamale wo den say obekọ wa betumi apeke points and wo mo kwa away na Brekum utumi eko Golden City Park na so utumi ko J win sadia na che say wo mo so modern bono ana wɔn nso ɛbɔ nti no yɛn bɔ wɔn ba so na wɔn nso edwuma pa ana ene no wɔn ɛyɛ na aka ene bibiani ɛne Accra Lions de emu ayɛ den ama wɔn papa eke emu ayɛ den ama wɔn emu ayɛ den ama wɔn.
Yeah, but they had a victory over the weekend. Yeah, 1-0 victory. And so I think they are also struggling with the Premier League, but I think probably in the second round they can put themselves together now. Sure. But you dream so see. And your victory against BBN Gold Stars. Obvious. And I say this season will be a strong our new home. Except this Kodoko and Hartlepool because of where they are playing their home games. Once Accra Sports Stadium, Kumasi Sports Stadium, they favorite ground will be about very comfortable. But we go Ukodoma, BBN Takwa no money. Techimai and Adina on the very difficult victory. But Dreams see this once again. Isaku Fatal. A very fantastic goal. Very nice goal. And
Black Stars.
And this season he's really on form. And one surprising thing is that on board the Premier League.
Dabi.
The first time about Premier League. And look at the goals. Also, so the number of goals and the kind of goals
and Uche game
and the ball no Charlie. The numbers he's putting up, I think this guy is really talented.
Black Stars nankasa yenibi. The set piece abilities, the technique, and the precision behind the box no eki. Fair. Answer no to me the ball to atine no fair. And these are no mobia yeni 2010 Ebano Abrantia na o was a new money bino Andre Ayew. So what I say? Na free kicks be near day and then the power near day. Baby Ayew, who share Ayew the first goals are not share them Black Stars early stages are eki. Na nya asem ketwa. And then nubi na o share Abrantia friend no Ishayakua or also Ediaba and league we mu de. Me hu Abrantia ebe to me na compare boy no.
He's very talented looking up. They were bobo.
Abekwe no mu ho abagina no ma ye kenyi wo ho no mu players no e ho Isaac Opon of Kotoko. Players no ho free ye ba ne me say the last 2 games no efe no so eyi ne ho edi because me hwe ne modern ball against Swara e wo Accra Sports Stadium any their game before Swara no a unse Abrante no etumi ama no homene so ni game no I think so no ne be kan Isaiah Kuhu this season any Isaac Opon Abekwe last season osanso ekra ne form no any Abagna no mo dia wo mu ye ya Osman Ibrahim working face ejuma wo mu boneke I think say no so betumi the excitement no ne sani o manu etumi ababat bra ye be do second round no na say players we nyina no transfer window no nya ba before e be start second round no some of these players no e be fi mu Isha could be din say season no be bio Isha could be din
Orange season
free year ban here di kura
Orange season and
every year ban here na no here ding o but say
yeah keeping it low on a low key
yes by every year because teams na e be free year hono e no here ding.
Yeah, even with
these are A-list teams.
Are you Richard Atta? No, they are teams coming in.
These are A-list clubs. We know North Africa. Bania de ano yeding. Because teams in there, Babania only mediocre teams.
Yeah. Say coach the has issue no beka. Yeah, had to folk against Swara in a CAF Confederation. And now we'll make some write-ups to be on social media talking about the performance. You aren't talking about one thing I liked about it, and is that you didn't talk about Heart to Folk performance. You talked about Ghana Premier League teams.
Now, so for Nanya has in Ghana.
Yes, Ghana Premier League teams. Interclub competitions in Africa, because didn't you? Even with a CAF Confederation, you're rep. This is you're rep CAF Confederation.
Say
Mediama, Santiago, Kodokomo, but Otimbio no to me quite. And now Heart of Folk you had the opportunity to play in the Champions League and also in the CAF Confederations Cup, and a very, very abysmal performance from Team Heart of Folk. Who take on has the entire African competition at this season, Wako Boy, and especially on yesterday's game.
Okay. On the side of Ghana football, before Heart of Folk team in Angasa no proper no eki. Oshe Ghana football now share 2004-2005 how to focus the Champions League bepe na yenye bibia papa bia they ain't to me your group stages and some of the teams you know to me the likes of Kotoko. I think Ashanti Gold one or two teams be to me abo every group stage be apie ba yen to me okay. Ghana football no uhwema ene ukọ na say teams you know what one be gu a there eye fe na ye de ne say ukọ Heart of Folk what the Ghana flag na to hold say what you say what she teams na what the Ghana flag ana to enye old o say we oak tree no ana wo mo de to say what you say Ghana Congo say team we fi Congo na Congo flag da ho we na we da ho and me to me aka de bia make say league ayebo wa ha ni nye league ni nye enye kra because standard na ye kura wo Ghana league ni mu enye including the players one players no ewo ma ubenya one or two qualities bia won be call outside but woman no to me inside the fortunes aye komu no so what I say to me like at the end of the day maybe a season ubenya over 200 players from all clubs are one ball league, you know. Now when you have two teams in the next 10 years, you know, these two players depend on to me about bo and as on bo top clubs ewo Iruba. When you share, so what the American say? Into bia obibe to me argue from the other school of thought to say no, your quality because Ghana League man yenya certain players are one so call outside yenya certain players are oyibo ha anokobo in yobo team way oyibo ha no team way oyibo ha no Black Stars no oyibo obo ha say bisa was a percentage no strike here saying so what you say over 200 300 players e league now the next 5 years you know out of those players you know two penny to me a play to a higher level onye she undu shishi because out the American
level now cannot
he
had a certain Diawisi Taylor winning the Ghana Premier League top scorer alongside Kwame Pepra with Karela and Confiser respectively and then Wolfie Ghana go outside this season you know Kwame Pepra Orlando Pirates South Africa and I think Diawisi Taylor Egypt or so how many goals have they scored this season? They were our top scorers last season of Ghana Premier League. Kwame Poku USM Orges. Anna Joseph Eso.
Season one about 6 matches.
They are top players. We were saying say Anka Yemfire won into the national team. And I said we but Krobia, me personally, I don't blame at times these players. Me share them fast from born. It's about structure now. Structure is idea. Young football. Yanti football na so Ghana. Ghana for yanti football na say. That's the fact.
Young football no. Young football no.
Yanti football asia. How can we play a whole league without sponsorship? Yanti football na say. A whole Ghana Premier League. Last 2 seasons, last 3 seasons, last season, this season, we are playing a whole league as sponsorship and that Seattle football and I say Ghana football could do a certain level. A whole league without sponsorship. A whole league. Now boy we are not top scorer. To me I'm mano. Yes Jewe say ebe chese on aye league top scorer. To my man Arsene Sudibi Mpo. And we say we are playing a league. Yabo league. Now at the end of the season, you know, you bought a certain match. A match, you know, and once somebody, I'm a player, I can say for game, it was fixed. Journalists were Kroma, I can say game, it was fixed. Journalists, Brabet, the entire game was fixed here. Who said, you, I find it an independent body. Someone you up to now.
If it's certain comment from some of the
managers now a whole FA person about Trabontiagas I tell the verdict in but Munyanto was at the verdict in ba over 2 months in it verdict in by do you think say yen league never calling him you because I fix league matches na yes teams in because of fixing matches na obekọ onu oyibeka man 20,000 man 50,000 na minje mu ma obe just 50,000 wa jema ma no hey player we wo say oh ene me say ongo mungo twa yes Esther say sika ni league nim
Masa
ani yenunu ya na yesero oh na efe no ya bring the love yenunu ya na yesero
ana make no
serious
we num nyina hwe ube fan say bibiki to ebi ba onum say referees asema de bia ka referees comes into play this time because if say Algeria referee woni Egyptian we club na ebo Ghana Egyptian club na ebo na say Algerian referee and ba be gina sa game ni mu a onum say oh me colleague coach me colleague coach kura so no ono so referee a Algeria USM Alger enso ne Congo club e ba be boy ono ka ko officiate a ye nipa de bia me kasa asem no imagine Salink no at least ebe want certain decisions and go ntia o because when you say from there Ghana referee so na kakodi Algerian club any Congo club but no we rep bia not even the Obama flag so uni bi inti no always bia no ko na we say referees ni ade wiawa inti na we ni Egypt bebo ball Egyptian club bebo ball na your Algerian referee ni yang afan North Africa Tunisian referee na ya afan and now ni Algeria na ebo na ya kofa Egyptian referee no odi South Africa. Who nibi? Sadio ma we nyina na ye duma of football.
The whole country Ghana.
Obe fa ni traba te ye duma of football.
World Cup qualifier. Playoff. E da any ma ye bebo. Na ye dwene Yesu. Urade ma ye nsia we.
South Africa.
Nsia we. Me ye dem say our team is not strong because of niama ya hye ye structures ni nya dwuma.
South Africa.
Look at our Premier League.
Has en kotoko no won and I say sa Ghanaian clubs are wo qualify for Africa no. The last 10 years are kotoko eko. You catch your David say Ghana your problem 2. Tamana costume e wo ho no. Na your players e good. Costume good yen e wan. Ni bio. First costume wo no. Na Division 2. Division 1 e strong. Because play free coach who call Division 2 no we strong
na system nim
dey call after 3 weeks you club no obokwa no answer about security no o ko to play go to the player ko to no good anyway ye ni team bia ye say me atita kola na ko to no akola no
this ton
is that when go ball no man kwal
before one season there was this player Wafa Augustin Boache. Yes, is it Augustin Boache
Wafa Austrian league
a very fantastic player over just one season with Wafa season kwa Mwangi he was I think now was 9 goals with Kwame Poku that season kwa Mwangi first round na play
so and they be idea higher ya am yen koso wo Ghana na say Division 2 because training we go train na pa go train nyumre o play na good we na ko fa ko ha to ko esa na master player no on che say na to be say Ghana na e wo no o the player na the players are wo no say we are wo number 2 o ka say costume emunu your player bi about 2 one say about 2 we correct player do about 3 e collect by na you know be about 3 I was a play with you or you good. You nibi.
System na say. Our system no. System na idea football crew man. Okay. I say the football the so-called football people no. And the football administrators na say oh me to team send a me ton player 1 or 2 no na me sika dana na the boy ka football administrators we okunu what ton players na kwa wonyes gana ko tolan cruise na dem na just say ampa team na but the quality of the team no anywhere
and na coach is na want to sit press no or team player na press no go to obahe me bo 2 obahe bo 3 me bo 4 okay munyina say difference nyina okay but who do say so your coach ya number 2 more 2 no one side 3 ko say you be 1-1-1 who we are we are kon na kwara no do ball and say don't collect players say we form now for we na fetin a ebu oboy oni mbobo ba position no penti no ba ko ball we wie na for na wie no oba yan say me bo 4 na for we position na o no akọ different position me a striker
D-Man.
Yeah, original.
D-Man.
Oh!
Wow.
Me to say,
now can structures as I say wama ahoɔden na nka mbe wo so house for no wagine nyina akogina structures ne so nokorɛ
okay adwuma no
nokorɛ ma minchia Obapa cuisine for
Obapa cuisine
governor
okay
and pay mini ohene ya editing na Obapa yes serious opa moto na nye yeye afei na moto na ade na me de come repair for say omo insist omo yom give me 60 Ghana no sa ade na 15 cedis Ghana o
ebi an workmanship
okay the workmanship need to ade ni mua ba ko
workmanship
say obi be sit down ma na the workmanship bet me sit down there
sit down be me nsa
oh my Ghana
workmanship na 45 cedis
nana eche tiefo nyina na mo bibi akwa ba
Obapa cuisine
yeah Obapa cuisine governor chi omo papa o de sorry and then you spread and kwa den san o de mam kwa me no bida ya dra problem
say na me ni ayi Mrs. Tanabeko
oh no problem yeah
so what about no
I say I can ba
oh coffee
oh I dem say no nkawa
coffee utu kwan
oh nkawa the boy me di ma me
nana my research kakra hu say GS sorcerer for no akura team afi na Matthias ni nti am ko bobo no that very far
abu akura na
village it's a village team now village team no nana look at their stands look at the stadium
on say the stadium na won no o see ni awon ahoden be den
nana me
10,000 ba hu a
nana wa look at it nana me ba jo yenkura ya si apasare kabu aprede kwa moso otwitire be passe amanfro ehifo na stadium we ebi wo
na Eastern region
more stadium come about way House of Folk needs to travel 12 hours before they go to that very stadium nana yanka numfu ano look at great team no just no one show mo afa and they are playing in Africa
2008 team
yeah what I say you good they make say you good indigenous clubs ni nyina o Ghana and then individual things shokraku man okraku ketokraku Ghana GF panyi shebebi obobo shedew show wait oh nana mayanka we are talking about structures
yes
but
why do you have to bring Ket in Dreams FC
and ngwasi akwaji Ket is part of it
oh sure
you see
standard of the league no nye
a crowd of folk they were representing Ghana what I say as at last Saturday the referee has not blown his whistle now House of Folk ejina Ghana nyina name don't you forget say yeah the House of Folk team and they are representing the whole Ghana against Nigeria nana okay Nigeria and Egypt population bomo as na unya America Egypt Nigeria and population bomo 250 million America bomo 300 million it would you say Blast House of Folk team everyone representing any national team on planet Earth na ni mafuwa ketokreku eyenti hwenu gwasi akwakoto yen before the House of Folk ebe ko sa trip we
niama be na Ket ya susu say
me pacho legal boy pacho pack papa be na wa ha pack papa be
the standard of the league kasa nye papa
nana
standard EPL say referees are nye papa they are not committed to because there were evidence league na wo bonu ye fake matches ni ade
papa bi ba ha
evidence wo to work at the standard that come into play
papa ya ton papa hey Mr. Boatin oba no Mr. Sports be na no pa
nye papa
o say ade na edi agrasa no nana me say before as of senye league aye boy it has taken National Lottery Authority NLA4 and sponsor your teams my no cause your favorite ni when my shower o just say my shower sure dynamic catch say enya dey house be fa kotoko 10 times and for 10 times the kind of sika TP Mazembe nom OGS nom elali nom invest e wo national teams mu no nana hanu yakoto Fabio Gama fi Brazil ahina de koto no Cameroon striker yi ahia na Cameroon won no national league ni papa ko baba ya dia atutu apansam yi
Me Kotokoni, me
Kotokoni. Players nanga sa standard and up to one more proper players now. Anga wo maha.
Me Kotokoni. Banana, se eka unyanko. No one can say otinwa.
Players papa wo Cameroon wo Cameroon league. Go now a French league.
You want to say
maybe a players better Ghana you do maybe na players winning bonus na e watch. Mami bi oton watch wo dance my. Players ni win. Kona kwaji watch Ghana. What do you say?
I mean, it's on record. It's Alhaji Chris Agra. Oh, tuya 80 cedis as monthly salary.
No. Ne one who say Ghana, your football, near sports, near athletics, near dream. They say you go from the scratch of school basic, the basic school education, basic school sports. No, you're good na. You go school no why? Yeah, you're good na. Let it be called. I feel watch it. I go benkum. I have been benkum for. Say na feel why? The talent it is dead and gone. Barcelona 92. Ni first senior high and benkum. I don't go pick kwa uku. I will say a crop ya. John Peter uncle pick no infant. And your school bounce. Umbisa. I said to trade a brand away. You know my sister. Yes, you want to be there. There be no tongue class. What tell you? Mutari. Open students. Product from school. What I say? You're drilling nana. You're saying na. And then afena. And then league ya boy. Yenya young boy be as you often ultra JHS results. Ultra JHS exams. Nana. Sure. Missy ayam ya ashemja. She basia. Baby any go stars. And the befa kromha. Na GFA pani ni team. She ne bas. As anti dede with him headers of when who was wrong. Mina catch on.
But Dream says you a brand new bar.
Okay, yeah, that players been a some certain team or Ghana ha. I'm going no. Bosh I show me and farm one way and
you have no evidence.
I to go do one man now talent na gu. You do to kwa. Don't be anko perform. Nana, secondly, and house for Econo. House for Econo say abine to be poor woman.
But the government gave her to folk 1 million Ghana.
1 million and yashi pu 1 million a day. 1 million Ghana city a day. 1 million Ghana city. You do from my guests and from swimming pool and dancing competition. Of money, you say born in China, so many more. A better than a blaster. You have to some foreign players and come and go anymore.
I'm putting with a woman flight at home crew.
Attack ladies. Hey, Papa, attack ladies. One go to Africa for a common share.
What's your trophy?
What I say? Ya to the Ghana no. Ya akase beton writer NASA.
How to phone lines, 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55 and that's 0270 191 971. Unya kwanza kani yadu babu grebo 0551 6677 55. So we na just say Obapa cuisine yenchi Obapa cuisine. The boy yenchi Obapa cuisine.
I'm saying you come from Onaya. Mama want kakra.
Yenchi Obapa cuisine.
Oh yenchi nyamiche. Any governor. Aha, just I said you do coffee ne Krobia any writer. Had the call. Yeah.
And then on the
Osho Kotoko. Osho Kotoko the time I'm going to Nani Aje.
Obafa and remember. No if you remember na ma kwaje
10 ABC da. Ofi yesu na fi no popo.
And you know 0551 667755 0551 667755. But the boy said to nefe.
Yeah. I want to me no Kropon am hotel afo bebre on pam ne mama me.
Free on.
E be free. Majority of them Tatre anane ejakwesi omo yes OCP mu nyina free most of them.
Na me for bi wa. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But you didn't baby afrefi.
I came up as you were dancing.
Master team where we be fine.
We have them boko, me try no do gas thing na.
Bojo so my you.
Aha. But I know much kwesi edu isi ama my wife.
Okay.
Kwesi edu. So one kwesi edu ko. As too much is what you 10 goals into
Oh, now as that you Kawasam.
Martin. And maybe say into Ghana, yes, you share and never say. Maybe I say you one ball league player answer over Shia Mafon. Maybe this is one ball league message 3 seasons and that's 2. No mature. What is this will be the answer to one more season 1 season another question. It is all the answer. It's me had it. It's no election but I said yeah. They are over 3 seasons and some what every something for why mature. And I think you are with me had it. There should say we are what to do in the for Akagana, you know. I watch them right and people what
Yamisha Master TMO from Royal Junction. Also bet me for about 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, Bacho Dini baby Afrifi.
Yeah, me this.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bacho Dini baby Afrifi. Lampard. I want to chase each other down Kakrana. I outside, wait myself from 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 and that's 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Hello. Good afternoon, Bajodin, maybe a Frefi.
Asking some questions against some answer.
Question, you fine.
Oh, France, and meetings to Nankoyaman, Barcelona, Kotoko.
Hey, I know, Bre.
And the thereby, the Rabia said, no, Kufia 9, some buy.
Jose.
Kufia, Mr. The name Kufia 9, some buy.
Kufia 9, when Yana.
Kufia 9, oh, sir, I could do for Kufia to Kufia 9.
Hey, Kruma, what are some about Kawasama?
And the I'm not going to for Flap.
Wasamane, hey, as a Kufia 9. Some body do Kofi, and I was on phone to Kufia 9. 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755. Also, bet me for but now, you know, just for 2 calls beer. The boy Ghana Premier League. Enra Koroko. For Samsung Dreams FC. We need Wofie.
Yeah, I'm say.
The Kumasi Derby.
Yeah, it was say Ogum. The strategy, you know, people are beginning to punch holes into it. Say, or a slow starter. Now, if you were in ambience, in Abba, getting to the latter part of the game. I think say, Kinvers are phoning whom sir Yariano, and then they capitalize on it. Osha, all the chances that they got, you know, they were able to utilize. 3 clear chances by one person. Almost say Kotoko. Who can talk on the right side? Now, Boba and Finfia. Your number 2, no. Yeah. Or a week. Osha goes nearby in a while nearby. And last goal, no, last minute goal, no, and third goal, no. The keeper now makes it ball now. 3 defenders. 3 defenders. MFL defender in 9th.
It was a poor market.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't know more technical team no near was steady. If Zank was steady, can find that team near.
Yeah.
Can find that team no. They always operate from the right.
Right.
Last season, Ghana won a ball 1-1. No,
yeah.
They go almost say no. They operated from the right.
Right.
This is all the goals.
Goes in now.
My for hello. Yeah. Good afternoon. Do you maybe a free?
Oh yeah. I'm from Mami
Mami Tio.
But you, in fact, you mean something about the family area of mine, Ghana mine. In fact, some of them got a martin, none were a part of the world. Now, where I'm Rafi Ghana, at times, my young me. No, maybe partners of by the woman who am Robo. I began to go to Sakagra. Rafi, no, none, and performance and Senuka and Senny. And then in Bamacho, Rafi Ghana, Rafi, Monam Catay. Now, I am finding going to be a Emma Ghana Lake in EBM. Because I want to know any baby, a master house, many people.
Yes, I have to know your birthday.
Manage papa. Manage papa.
Okay, Debiam Weninje, Debiam. Okay, and you know, just a bit my last call, now things, you know, yet to me, sorry, Jumedi and so. And the boy now will come.
And Nana, who say about the sir, Rubia who or style of play, no antidote now, ultimately for one side, Naja or boom or at the mount. But I think the Alaji Grusa, he kept cool to his words, so which me I say.
The boy, I'm for last caller. Hello. Good afternoon, but you're doing your free.
Lampard, nothing happened you.
Lampard, I feel them. Now, have you saying? Hey. There's also a kitchen hall.
Yeah, the kitchen one.
Yeah, sorry about it. I see a bit here now. You know, who been so. I know
what you are. I gave you my wife.
Okay.
Because 6 + 4, 10. 10 is really good. You do. I know what you are giving them. Now,
oh, Lampard. We are about which year you do it.
And I said, now take feedback. No, Obapa could do on my saying, will be a machine. I better. I think that there be a case a cropon for my idea. So much so radio station, you move queer. Oh, number be mammy be your tongue. And tomatoes in the idea which I
last.
Okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon, but you're baby Afrefi.
Oh, I can make you Unia Casula.
Oh, brother, maybe I fine. That's all Casa form. Oh, your house in Yana.
Oh, maybe. Yabuto them, very mad. What she has, and I see, sorry. And it's no hard to supporters. Said the year last year has too far legal. Start to us in TM by 1 team. Ya sorry, and you know, has a fool. Mummy and Kenya players, I was here pushing us to be Shima, to be Jim. We do at all one time. Woman that we do first time I walk African, you know, Ma Obia preparation, Pia to Guedu, so Guedu, yes, she or Aquala, Fenoba. I will coaching into woman has from one more word now one about me to a man and coin, no petty man in check now. Onto the Muetimono, Kakamitina Kaja has a now United, yes, a penny coach, which I would not see team Lamai into United, Momayan Kai and Tama and Pama on that fee. Yes, and they are late in the bay. And I chance if only they are going to do or so. Only the day, England, a Liverpool United. Now, not Chelsea for the day, and now, well, she said they are almost to Papa, we are almost born Papa, we are. Yeah, but one watch out. First, a top one of the leg. I feel United. Yeah, leg, you know, and indeed, and then it's MPP constituency first vice. I hear Mr. Kwapong, I work upon Chiaka Sinkoma, and Samuel Ku, lawyer Philip Addison, and Chiaka Sinkoma. Unia, me,
also, Unyami, enter. That's say unto me friend. It was that one now can I
Kasola na. Okay, Kaso da Samia could be doing now all my swati. Na eja yedi atum na bia. Nana I think say the can Alaji Karim Gruza MIT assess say the TV ano obenom yen. Na watumi anom yen. But let us say it say ball na nya de bia e bro so bebre bia they capitalize on our weakness and they were able to utilize their chances they got. And the kudos to Alaji Karim Grusa ne Nemranti no Confessor. Na mo ye pese bebo obehye kotoko no ahye has na is afio relegation afio kopacha ho. Ane de ye ntwemo bia ho ha. Otibihye kotoko 3 na ebia has so na abo atwetan na afi du ba bia why adwen say relegation de okwa kopacha ho. Aha edu ho no de a we'll go back to the drawing board, sit down, draw the map well, and then put on our jerseys. Any ordinary team no, I can't say. Nana said I say a man for I can say last season Zana Yama has your board, you know that family idea. Can I was the last season never be any good stars, no movie. Na Accra Lions, no movie. Ubiko relegation will be aba. It's say ye ko se sia no want me answer yan go bi dia e be ha dwen sa na house for e kan dia na e ja to mu say almost say ko jisimiensa ansa na omoje eye treble no ejina say ahwe asere eye last season dia na nche na samambo du beko ai so mo say sare ete dia na nche samu beko
ntino da ye be si echina ye beto aso but yakoi mame wo se madam Ernestina Edu ene en birthday we efi ebusia ene ne mma ho almost wo hia mo mame madam Ernestina Edu happy birthday Yakupon shira madam Ernestina Edu almost mo do ne pa mo pena asem so entine madam Ernestina Edu we fi ebusia ene o ma ho almost say almost we show happy birthday and also I don't know intino yabeko right as say yenko china no be ai china ne ana china ene right as o kabibi
ebepe ya
ka kasa
we are Cypher kweku Drizzle one of presenters no we are super super
our platform platform be also
yes a trainer pa Cypher Cypher wada ne binkum so we are Cypher yes I don't know we are but obende all the same sports fraternity ni obia esen ho den kakra no super no
I don't think say true
super
you must sports fraternity no share and a crop on so no lady ba ko me buy na ahimfie na wo Mandela Market nchen ho no enye krontin ho no asona hene ho no ya lady bi ho no ne ba abrante young man and anope anope bi du adwuma in fact na hadwe nti manu bia ne mano bright no munyina omo nhede
bright regular listener
bright any tatwe bright no she tatwe ho no mo bo adwuma no bom ke ma bright sheden one ne ma me nyina no young man 24 years
very handsome guy
ebra na me ba pa you know call adom deke no omno last born no fianko bia na na ko nti omo de like it is there I got to know them na yebeye you know hadwe
ya mabushani
nya sheda kwa kuchiomu na na I from no so maduane no mija e Castro ho mija omono wache fufu mija ni nyina mintimi nsoa timoda roma wa be fa obi ade chenso no akwaje odie right afa ho wagene de kofifa ho wagene de vibes
entino yari see the boy yari see entino but you know yana china ai yana na yana china yeah it's the university I mean the BBC oti coffee coach in Kansas the writer commentator at the office by the boy and I think so no Kobe Asante producer extraordinaire na Kofi Okarajiman aboabo ansem ni nyina no Samson na Jeff Akufu Boateng then I the chow favorite hey grazie favorite entino university DJ Tony Chera Antiapo but Yakupa no ye never and I think so no DJ Ziggy and make you say social media and ebetwa guzigi we heavy pa and I pay brand jollof na dia ama watimi ayi ntino ya brand jollof ya brand Ziggy jollof ama ni di o say ya brand Ziggy jollof sanso na ni no donzi and so no abeboy njumadi no yetumi add buy and I think so no na no damn ya and so no a boy AJ I see you and so need see medin and then na kwame ampon said obetimi afrem eke akopon adoma achana yebeba obapa cuisine and I think so no the governor and no udu Methodist sorry that no opposite on say kwan bi dawo on say filling station bi wo filling station na chen on say kwan bi dawo ubura wa on sanifa so obapa cuisine e wo mifia bana hwemani meba na mabetiawo na bibia so na fa obapa cuisine we heavy pa sa so na amajamia so no amintia no ho entino medibesi entino eke amano almost omo pa entino no kan wan kan wa sha obo entino yedibesi na me pa e chana ebeto aso sorry afin so nyu papa etumato am so muchum